Hi everybody, today in front of me I have EMPORIA Smart 4 device, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on the smartphone. So first of all, you want to launch the keyboard somehow. Once the keyboard is opened, tap on this very icon that is located at the top part of the keyboard itself. Next, turn on the switch, turn on this toggle, or simply go for this blue turn on clipboard button. Once the clipboard has been activated, you can tap on this pencil, select any elements you would like to remove or get rid of, and then tap on the trash bin. In order for any element to be added to the clipboard, you just want to copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car. I'll go ahead and select it. And I guess if I'll get back to the clipboard now, already I have not, for some reason, copied the word, but let me try it one more time. If I'll enter the word car, not that important, I'll copy it, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the word or anything that I have just copied was successfully added to it as the most recent element. From here, if you want to use it, simply tap, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.